Hello, my name is Jayram, Palamadai, and I'm the lead designer and developer of PubTran. The main user interface is the Android mobile application. This allows users to see the vehicles in their area, as well as share their location. This is all being constantly synced with the Firebase Firestore cloud backend. There's also the Node.js middle end, which scrapes the web for data regarding vehicles, and also optimizes data and processes data provided by users. This is a demo of my Android application. I'll begin by creating an account with Google, and I'll select my account. And I'll allow my location, and as you can see, it snaps to my location. And I'm going to pan out a little bit so you can see the vehicles in the area. This is a train. The route is represented by the red line, and the stops are represented by the white dots. As you can see if I pan out a little bit. And obviously the train is represented by the train cabin, as you can see there. There's some information about the train in the bottom view. So it shows the current stop, as well as various metrics, like the total time left and the total stops left. And as I expand this, you can see detailed information about each stop, including the distance between the stops and the time it takes to get to each stop. And the other page, as you can see here, is the share page. So this will allow you to create or add a location to an existing nearby vehicles, but because of the time constraints, I won't be able to share that. And the settings page just shows you your terms of service, privacy policy, and gives you the ability to log out. This is the Firestore backend, and this document represents one vehicle. So right now, the database is only populated with the one vehicle that I've been tracking. But as you can see, it contains information such as the current position, the current stop, the time it was last updated, and the name, as well as details about the stop, such as the route points, which are points along the route, the speed, the stops, which have information in them regarding the expected time of arrival, the actual time of departure, and its position, among others. And then the other important one is the total list of stops, which contains all of the stop names. So this is the middle end Node.js script, which runs continuously. This is personally my favorite because it was the most interesting to work on. So it's kind of hard to see because there isn't obviously any user interface, but the main purpose of it is to scrape the web using the library Puppeteer, and it then writes it to the Google Firebase backend, which I showed before. And this is an example of what you would pass into the function, which is the vehicle name. And then it would automatically find the stop names, the stop details, and populate the database. And a little bit is what you can see here. This is the function that gets the search results. So it goes to the search query, and it finds the results and puts it into an array, and then sends it off to the next functions for further processing.